Hello everyone, welcome to a class of the Blender Essential tutorial for learning the basic of 3D modeling, rigging and animation. So if you're planning to learn basic of 3D modeling, rigging and animation, then you are in the right place because in this class we will cover everything to get you started with Blenders. Let's take a look what you learned from this class. Introduction to Blender, doing 3D navigation, selecting objects in Blender, transforming objects in Blender, understanding about the adding, deleting and the 3D cursor, learning about orientation and parenting, about the object data and the edit mode, mesh components and the object origin, understanding about duplicating, joining and instancing, pivots, snapping and the proportional editing, visibility and the cell collections, mesh normals and the smoothing, learning the extrude, inset and the knife, bevel and the edge loops, knurling to subdivide, fill and merge, changing the color of an object in Blender, about the cameras and rendering. After completing this class, you will be able to learn interface familiarity, materials and textures, manipulating basic shapes, changing color of the objects, make models using the extrude and bevel tools, about the edit mode and the object mode. This is a project based class, so during learning, you will have class project. So, what you learned, you will be able to participate in class project and you can do practice while you're learning. You will have supporting resources in this class, so it will be easier for you to learn. During learning, if you guys face any issue or if you guys have any question, then feel free to ask me. I'm always there for you to help you. So, let's start learning. Blenders for learning the basic of 3D modeling, rigging, and animation together.